Tropical Cyclone Dylan has made landfall in North Queensland, bringing with it torrential rain and wind gusts of 140 kilometres an hour. The Category 2 system touched down south of Bowen and is now tracking inland.
Strong winds and torrential rain bearing down on Bowen. Wild seas forcing a yacht aground.
The way it's going now, it's only going to get worse, so we'll just wait till it sit out.
Wind gusts are expected to reach up to 150 kilometres an hour.
You can't stop Mother Nature when she comes in this force.
Mate, you can't stop nothing, just stand here and watch it.
Residents in this part of the Sunshine State know the drill.
So as soon as it gets like this, everyone wants more bread, more bread, more bread. So the boys, I think, are putting their 5th or 6th batch on.
Some spent the night riding out the weather at the pub.
Pretty safe where we are, I think.
The storm surge at Townsville will threaten 4,000 homes if the cyclone and this morning's high tide join forces. Water has already spilled onto suburban streets, stranding residents and swamping homes.
Just ride it out, put everything up as high as you can and hope for the best.
The Army was called in to help with the commute to work. Evacuation centres have been opened and emergency workers say they're preparing for a perfect storm.
If you're coming to these disaster centres, you need to be prepared, so you need to bring some food, water.
The Premier is in the city and has urged people to stay put.
I particularly urge people to not travel unless they have to, and don't try and get across some flooded causeway. It is just not worth it.
Residents are just hoping the driving rain will be the worst they'll have to deal with.